Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a location or a business location on Google Maps. Now the first thing you need to do is to open Google Maps, and then on your Google Maps explore it and identify the location that is missing. You may want to add a location on Google Maps if the place you are is not labeled on Google Maps. So to do so, just identify the place. For instance, I want to add a location here. Now what you need to do is to drop a pin here. To drop a pin, just long press on that location and you will see a pop-up of the location here. So once it pops up, scroll on this bar and until you find add label, and this is the function add label. So tap on it, and now here you want to give this place a name. Maybe it is my shop, and once you are done, just click on done to save the place, and now you can see my shop has been added on your map. Now one disadvantage is adding a location in this manner will only be visible to you. So this is your label and it is only private to you, and your clients will not be able to find it on the map. To make it visible on the map, what you need to do is to come down here and then click on this option, add a missing place. Here you need to go ahead, add the place name, the category, this is the type of business or an institution that is at this place. Choose from these options, of course, the address, the required address, and then more details about the location. Once you give this information and submit, you will be able to create your new location, and then the location will be added on Google. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a location on Google. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.